Let's fix it. Search for control panel. Click it. Click viewed by category and click program. Click Java. The pop-up menu will appear. In that you need to click update and update now. By using this method you can update the Java and it's right now it's up to date. If the setting itself not having means you need to download. For this we go to settings, click app, click installed app. Here you need to search for Java. If Java is having means okay. If it's not having means you need to go to the official website of Java and download and install the latest version. Once you install after it will come. Make sure you need to install in the official website. In the next step, search for run, click it and type the following text. Percentage app data percentage. Click Minecraft folder. Click the log folder and delete the files and folders inside the log folder. Come back. Click web cache and delete it. And the next tab, close it. And the next tab, you can search for CMG. Click run as administrative. Click it and type the following text: sfc space slash scan now. It will scan the entire files and folders in your device. If there is any issues, it will rectify and remove it. Be patient, it will take some times. Once completely verify after, you can run the message. If there is no issue, you can close it. If there is any issue, it will notify you. You can see now there was a corrupted file and successfully repaired that. So like this, it will repair it. After that, once commit after, exit it. Thank you.